this time it's gonna be a little bit tough game for both of the sides.
Right now I'm outside the Chepauk in Chennai and it's a blockbuster game. It is Chennai Super Kings' first home game of IPL 2025 season and they are hosting five-time IPL champions Mumbai Indians. As you can see, I have a lot of Chennai Super Kings fans right next to me, but we also have the MI Mumbai Indians fans right to my next. So I'm gonna go first to Chennai Super Kings. Chennai Super Kings, how's it going?
Whistle Chennai Super Kings ku whistle போடு
So as you can see, the energy is so high. I am also high on energy, but we also have MI fans as well. Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya is not playing. Surya Kumar Yadav will be leading the squad. So what do you think are MI's chances and your chances of beating them in terms of, fans?
Obviously, it's gonna be a little bit tough game for us because there is no there is no Hardik Pandya and Bumrah. That's a major loss for us. But hopefully, we do have Deepak Chahar, Bolt, and every key players. So hopefully, we're gonna win this game with the slightest margin.
So Mumbai is very confident. As you can see, Mumbai sounds very confident. Chennai, what are your thoughts on this? How are you going to counter this?
We are playing at Chidambaram Stadium, Chepauk.
Right.
We have an upper edge, and our fans will be playing as a 12th man. It will be very tough for them because they don't have Hardik Pandya and Bumrah on their side. Their bowling looks quite weak compared to us, and we do have quality spinners. I think CSK will win this game. It will be a tough contest.
just believe in Tala.
Tale, yes, Tale. They all believe in Tale, but as they're absolutely right, there is no Hardik Pandya, no Jasprit Bumrah, but at the same time, you have Dhoni, possibly his last. But in yesterday's press conference, Surya said that you just can't stop Dhoni. And when it comes to CSK at Chepauk, he is a formidable force.
But obviously, if you check the head-to-head records, MI is always greater than CSK.
Well, yes.
So yeah, but this time it's gonna be a little bit tough game for both of the sides. But yeah, we hopefully we're gonna win this game with the rest of margins.
Right. So as you see, Mumbai sounds really confident, but do not forget that this is Chepauk, this is Chennai, this is Unbudden, this is Ruturaj Gaikwad's captaincy test. As far as captaincy goes, just a quick question to both of you. Ruturaj Gaikwad versus Surya Kumar Yadav. One is India's T20 captain and one is an upcoming talent who has proved himself. So I'll come to you first. Ruturaj Gaikwad, does he still live, breathe under the shadow of MS Dhoni?
No, he has proved last season that he's quite a good captain. Almost missed a playoff spot by a whisker. He's a good captain. It will be a great test for him this season. I think he will qualify. He will help the team to qualify for top 4.
Right. What do you think?
Yeah, he's a talented player. His captaincy also so good. So we are looking forward to that.
Right. And as I asked about Surya.
Yeah, well, last time we got a little bit misunderstanding between the teammates and the team. So yeah, but this time it's not going to happen because we are all united this time. And yeah, Surya Kumar Yadav is obviously a good captain since he is an international Indian T20 captain. So yes, he has experience to maintain the lead the team. So hopefully we're going to win this game and also lift the cup.
Chepauk became Mumbai's sport for so many years now. I think it will continue. I hope it will continue.
As you can see, the sledging has already started. The on-field, the mind games have already started. It is Chennai, it is Mumbai, and it is going to be one hell of a blockbuster. All hell is going to break loose once the toss happens. But will it be Whistle Podu? Will it be Dunya Hila Denge Hum? All those questions will be answered in 4 hours from now. This is Abhijit Singh for the Federal with camera person KK reporting from Chepauk, Chennai.